No problems, we fix. Ah, crap. Plunk into the door, watch it. Don't fall into the door. Don't feel like going fishing. Ice fishing, that is. Got my toque on. It's not as cold as yesterday. There's the other screwdriver. Oh, scheiße Kopf. Ready to go. Screwdriver. Ah, boy. Dog sitting on it? I don't think so. If the dog would sit on it, you'd hear, "Oip! Oip!" Oh boy, where did it go? Junk. Ah, a Phillips and a junk. Does it hold back? Oh, the junk in my T-Rook. Where is it? Where put this screwdriver? Screwdriver, where does it go? Come play. You need to screw around. Yeah, we just found it. It was hiding. Tim Hortons. Always fresh. Want some coffee, doggy? Yeah. Oh, great. Now you just licked my cup. Hope you didn't lick your cup. Oh, boy. So, how am I going to fix this? You got some strips of aluminum inside the garage. Instead of going washer per washer, it's like repairing an airplane. Next size up, rivet. Yeah, sorry about engineering, but don't want that to fall in the hole. Junk. Come here, screw. Don't fall in the hole. I don't feel like taking out the door card. Yeah. I want to show you guys something. Nope, that's not my old car I used to have. Some kid wants me to swap the 6-cylinder that's in this car to his car, which is a 2000 Brighton. This is a 97, 96 Legacy, just like the missus had. Sort of fixed it, but it's coming back. Junk. It's so bad. Oh, what the hell? What kind of welding job is that? Junk. Put that. This car, when you rev it up, it sounds like a Porsche. Seriously, it does. So, I'm remodeling my garage. Hey, gone. Where is it? Up there. How did I get it up there? I took it down with the hoist. So I want to put that reel there. I want to stick it up there. Well, on the ceiling. Grab my hose. I'm going to bust some clips. I'm going to pass the hose up and around. Blah 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 blah. So, yeah, that's it. Show you the engine. From a 92 SVX, Subaru SVX. It was a pretty advanced car in its day. Had the 6-cylinder in it, two-door sports coupe. Why does he lock the door? He's gonna get stolen for crying out loud. It's junk. Yeah, so it's got a JDM transmission in it, 5-speed. JDM stands for Japanese Domestic Market. SDI transmission. 4.44. As you can see, I open hoods a lot on Subarus. Oh boy. I open them a lot, eh? What the hell? I think he modified it. Look at the rad on this piece of junk. Where the hell? What the? How in the hell? Oh, where's the lever? So where were we? There you have it. Each 6-cylinder, flat, 6-engine. Sounds like a Porsche. Well, we intend to make it sound like a Porsche. Like a rat nest. The rat went crazy in there, eh? So, yeah, there you have it. Pretty neat, huh? Where do you put the coil packs? Supposed to have coil packs on this puppy. Where do you put them? Oh, I see some wires there. Okay, that's what he did. Yeah, because this puppy is going to go rat's nest to a 2000 Brighton wagon and Brezza wagon, which is lighter than the Legacy wagon. Yeah, so I'm the one that's stuck doing the swap. Oh boy. Anyways, it's going to be a fun swap. Yep, 6 cylinders. Brum, brum, brum. Oh boy. So that's it. Here's the H6, 6 cylinders. Injectors. Well, the wires are cracked. But hey, what do you expect? It's 92. Yep. Can't wait to swap this baby in. This is going to be crazy. It's going to be insane. With a 5-speed manual at 4.44. There it is. That's the coil pack right there, I think. Yeah, that's it right there. You see it? Or is it? No, that's not it. Something else. Anyways. Ah, boy. It's going to be a fun swap. I'm going to coil pack is back there. Because I got to pull this out. When I pull this out, I'm going to pull the cover off in front, timing cover. Check the belt, timing belt and all that. So, kind of modify the, see, ouch. We'll make it fit, damn it. Not a problem. If we make it fit, no problem. And you hacked away at it. Anyways, we're gonna have fun with this. It's gonna be fun. Well, that's it for the H6. See, homemade punch I made. Top. Get what size that was. Hold on, I can read it. Something you want to see. 7/16 something. Anyways, broken tap. You grind it, made a shaft. I think it's 1/2 inch stainless steel. Anyway. Make it people vomit. I lost my fucking tripod. I don't know where it is anymore. You guys are gonna jump. I'm gonna jump. 1, 2, 3. Dong. There's one punch. Now I gotta go 2.6. 2 5/8. 2 5/8. That's what I measured in star. So I fix, no problems. 2.6, 2.6. Get ready. Jump. Jump! Dun, dun. What do you want, doggy? Oh boy. Oh man, oh man, oh man. There's so much junk around here. I can't wait to get organized. Getting there. Slowly but surely, but don't call me Shirley. Alright. So. Need some parallels. Need some parallels. I can't wait to be set up. This is ridiculous. I should do it. Yeah, perfect. Shove that in there like that. Yep. Yeah, pretty shitty, eh? There we go. Much better. That should be a good size hole. Real wonder. Crazy. That doesn't matter. We're just drilling a hole. Stupid scoop. Voila. Done deal. Finito. Fixed. No problems. Fixed ghetto style. Strong. No problems. Craft Tornado. Handle steam tack. Oh, look. Cute little birdie. What is that? No, oh, no. Nice. Is it a woodpecker? No, it's not a woodpecker. It's pretty. Beautiful bird. There it is. Hold on. Zoom